Hey everyone, I'm Alexandria.
And I'm Edna, and welcome back to our channel.
As you can see, we are all set up and ready to go for 4th of July.
Woo-hoo!
This year, not a lot of us will be going out. We really do need to stay home, be mindful of these things, right?
But that doesn't mean that you can't have fun and enjoy yourselves with your family, or maybe a couple of friends.
That are in your close little bubble.
Yes, because we got to stay safe, right, and healthy. But I know that we're really excited about what we put together.
We really are. It was so easy to put together this 4th of July look, so let's get started.
We really love a modern Americana look, and Pinterest is the perfect place to look and get ideas and get some inspiration.
First things first, we are going to leaf blow all the leaves, that way everything is clean before we start laying down our decor.
We're going to be barbecuing, so the first thing that we want to do is, of course, we don't want to start the house on fire. We're going to move the barbecue pit away from the house, and we're going to set up a table. It's something that we've had now for a couple of years, and it's just a neat, simple table from Sam's along with the linen cover. Well, once we put it together, we realized that the tablecloth is a little too short, so we're going to lower the legs just a little bit so that it looks nice and even.
In our patio makeover video, you saw that everything we use is neutral, so we're actually going to be eating in this area. I am just going to move this off to the side, and I'm going to be using a plain white sheet to cover this cocktail table.
So we're gonna set the table. We really wanted to feel summery since it's 4th of July, so we got inspired by these beautiful jute placemats. So we're adding our white dinner plates on top of the jute placemats. The white really pops on that color. And to make it feel festive, we added a pop of color with this beautiful red napkin. We ordered them from Target. We'll make sure to link them down below. We're adding our utensils and finishing off the look with these really beautiful blue glasses that my mom bought on one of our trips.
We're going to continue the motif, this Americana motif that we so love. Since we use the jute placemats on the cocktail table, we're going to incorporate these baskets to just give it a really cohesive look. It's not going to be matchy-matchy, but it's definitely going to make it just look more coordinated. We love using paper fans, and these we've had for a very long time, and it just really, again, adds to the decor, and it just looks beautiful. In decorating, using odd number items always makes for a more visually interesting piece. So we're going to use 5 fans.
We wanted to tie the whole look together with florals, so we stopped by our local floral market and picked some up, but we also wanted to add some fresh flowers from our garden here at home.
We love adding touches of decor to the outside, and here we just did a little vignette of our lanterns that we had. We had 2 extra little fans in the same color wave, and then we brought out a red and white pillow that was already in our office. So the whole look just ties it all together, and it makes it look beautiful. We really loved this modern take on 4th of July party decor, and I think this modern Americana look is really cute.
It turned out, oh my gosh, even better than we had planned it. Honestly, guys, when we were putting it together, we're like, wow, this is turning out even cuter than we imagined. And what we love, we use a lot of the things that we already own, right?
Yes, absolutely. We already had really pretty much everything. I think What did we get that was new?
The napkins. And then remember we added those really cute sparklers.
Oh yeah.
We added cute sparklers to our table. And I mean, and then we spent on the florals at the floral market. But other than that, everything we already had. It was so great, like to be able to use all these things. We'll make sure to link everything that we used down below.
And we hope we encourage you to, look throughout your house and you can put together looks that, can be a little bit different but still look really cool.
If you recreate your own 4th of July party decor setup, we'd love to see it. Share it over on Instagram. We will leave our handles down below so you can tag us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And ring that notification bell.
And we will see you guys soon.